In this video, we'll unbox and review the O General Windows Air Conditioner. This model has a 1.2 ton capacity and was launched recently in the July 2023. The gross weight of the entire unit including the box is 55 kg and O General tend to weigh heavier compared to the other brands. For those that don't know, Fujitsu O General is a Japanese company. The product costs 33,000 Indian rupees and you can easily get a discount of up to 10%. This O General AC retains the old classic design with beige and gold color just like the old O General Windows AC. It has a star rating of 3.24 and in the 1.2 ton category, there are no 4-star or 5-star O General Windows AC. This box is secured very nicely with thick thermocol, so there is very little chance of transit damage. Once you open the box, at the top you get the user manual and the remote control with AAA batteries. You also get the remote stand with screws, but you are better without it. The remote design has not changed in the last decade, but you do get the orange flashing LED light once you press any buttons. Now this is the drain cover which needs to be screwed at the bottom right side of the AC during installation. Packaging is very good and secure. Just like the typical O General AC, you get the blue tapes all over it. Also, the thing to remember is once you restart the AC, it always starts in the default mode, that is at 24 degrees. O General always uses more metal and very less plastic, and this could explain why the unit weighs so heavy. Just like the old models, you get the 2 air vents at the top. And the most important thing, the user manual. This booklet does contain some vital information. It is advised that you install this AC on the wooden frame. If you don't have the wooden frame windows and are installing it on the aluminium frame, just like my case, then you should weld a solid iron frame for the back support of the unit as an AC bracket. For better cooling, you should also consider installing a sunshade shed over the air conditioner. The AC should be slanted backwards by 10 to 15 mm. Also important thing to remember is that you don't forget to install the drain pan which is located at the bottom right side. One needs to buy the plug as it is not the part of the standard accessories. It is recommended that you use a 16 ampere plug for this 1.2 ton AC. Installation should be done by O General technicians, for which you need to pay extra at the time of installation. The box does not contain any screws, so the technician will bring the screws with themselves. Installation is carried out by 2 persons who first remove the metal frame and then put the screws and attach securely to the windows. Always ensure that you properly measure the windows so you don't face any vibration issues later on. This is how the unit looks from inside. The O General ACs are unique and different from other brands. That white color thing is actually thermocol inside it. The product has bluefin condenser with catechin filter. The catechin filter filtrates pollen and dust particles to keep the fresh air. Bluefin condenser improves corrosion resistance and longer life. The blue coating on the aluminium fins provide improved anti-rust performance. This AC comes with 1-year warranty and 5 years on the compressor. Make sure you install this AC on the lower right side of the window as majority of the weight distribution is towards the right side. For this unit, for maximum safety, I have installed and welded the iron metal frame for the added support. If you have given the exact space needed for the AC fitting, installation will take very little time. The cooling capacity of this unit is 4110 watts. The power consumption at 100% capacity is 1000 watts. The condenser is made out of copper and uses the non-CFC R32 refrigerant. The ambient operating temperature range is 18 degrees to 50 degrees Celsius. This product has super wave technology, which is a patent by O General. It has 3-speed cooling and the fan is actually extremely powerful even at lower speed. And talking about the cooling, O General remains the benchmark. This unit will run effortlessly for decades if serviced properly. So for cooling, I give this a solid 10 out of 10. Now I leave you with the air conditioner natural sounds. Enjoy.